Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete file via iTunes. Some files on your iPhone you cannot delete them because you transfer them through via iTunes. So we go to photos here. For example, I will show you. I got this file. There is no option to delete. No option to delete. So you cannot delete it. You need to, what you need, I will show you. You need to delete from the folder which you transferred to your iPhone or iOS device via iTunes. So this is the file I need to delete from the folder on my desktop. I will delete. Now the file deleted, we need to connect the iPhone to my laptop and take it from iTunes, this photo. So now I will connect via USB cable the iPhone to my laptop to open iTunes. So now iTunes opened. If not open, you can press iTunes shortcut and open iTunes, and then click here on your iPhone, which is connected, and then go to photos. Now you need to synchronize the photos. Sync here, click here, including videos if you want, and then click apply. Are you sure you want to remove existing photos? Yeah, remove and synchronize. That's done. Click done. Close iTunes and disconnect the USB cable. Now you go back to your iPhone here and photos, and then you choose the folder, the right folder which available the file you want to delete. So iPhone, it's iPhone 12 mini. I name it as iPhone 12 mini. So you will start to sync photos to be updated your iPhone without this file. Copying 196. Again will be transferred to your iPhone from laptop via iTunes. Now it's done. Click done. Close iTunes disconnect your USB cable. So I checked, the file has been deleted, it's not available. This is how to delete via your iTunes and deleted files from your iOS device. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.